So today's Friday, Saturday, Sunday?
Today's Saturday.
Don and I were just talking in the other room that we're like, it feels really weird. Like yesterday felt like Saturday.
Yeah.
Well, I'm glad we have an extra Saturday.
Yeah.
That's great news.
Yeah.
And Don will be feeling even happier here shortly with his pot of coffee.
Almost done with my chores.
Are you ready for some food? Are you? Hey there, bud. Hey there, bud. Good morning. Well, I'm out here late. It's like 9:30, but everyone was here and waiting. Now that it's pretty chilly, it's like 35 out here. They wait for me up on the platform. The boys up the hill, from up the hill do. And Tux is usually still in the catio, or he's come over to the back door when he hears noise. Getting him some fresh water. Not sure where we're going to go for our walk today. Probably wait a couple hours. It's going to be 55 today. Around, you know, noon time it'll be warmer. Panther and Gray are doing good this morning. Their heating pads are on and life is good. Yeah, there was a missing clip in yesterday's video, and it was essentially me showing you guys that Don had put the kitty cat up on the compost bin for me. And we talked about the little cleats that he has put in various spots on the lid. So I can tie down, put down, you know, the ties, the straps, make it so they don't move or whatever. So I appreciate it. My other kitty cat was actually messed up, and Don, the fan motor's gone, and he can replace it, but we'll look for a clearance one at the end of the season and go from there. It's cheaper to buy power packs and fan motors. Just buy a new one even at 15 bucks, but especially at 7 bucks, 50% off, than it is to go out and source them off eBay or someplace. So I worked pretty hard yesterday putting up all of the Thanksgiving stuff and any remaining Halloween stuff and any remaining upstairs in the attic 4th of July or Easter or whatever stuff that wasn't where it was supposed to be. And I got my windows here in the kitchen cleaned and ready for new gel clings, and I got the table ready to be decorated. And in here I packed up my small summer sort of or autumn village thing. And then upstairs I just did a ton of stuff, just a ton of making it safe for us to get the Christmas tree down and, you know, putting all of our other stuff away. So, yeah. So I'm going to put the gel clings on now before we do our walk. Then we're going to exercise, and then, I don't know, I want to get the table put together today. I don't like it being empty, and I'd like to put some of my Christmas village houses over there by the fireplace and get that looking pretty before tonight. And Don has the Alabama-Auburn game on his brain. He's informed me that, you know, he's going to watch it without the, you know, fast forward or, you know, after it's queued up a little bit, he's going to watch it.
Yeah,
but
I'll be live by the 4th quarter. Right,
at the end of the most important part. So anyway, he has football on the brain just a little bit today.
Yeah, well, it sort of is negating when I want to get home or stuff. Normally I would just watch the entire game recorded, but this one is one of those games I would rather watch the end of the game. If it's a good game, I'm going to watch it live.
Yeah, Don never has to worry about social media, though, as long as I don't open my big mouth.
Yeah.
Don, you know, that's not it, but yeah, wanting to know when everybody else knows the outcome.
Right.
Don and I are in Jules. We're getting ready to go for our walk and a couple other things. that maple tree looks so pretty in the sunlight. The colors have totally changed to that crimson red. It's beautiful. So we're driving around Holly Springs looking for the T-Mobile 5G tower, and we're close to it, but nope, it's not the water tower. That's a cell tower, but that's probably not the cell tower. I'm turning left here on Honeycutt.
Yep. Honeycutt.
Okay.
Yeah, it's on Piney Grove Wilbon side of Castle. It's exactly opposite this.
Okay.
This thing just goes from here to Piney Grove Wilbon, and that's where.
And then it's just on the other side or something.
Yeah, on the other side of Piney.
Or it's right in the middle, sort of in that field right there where we go past and never noticed it.
Right.
Well, we convinced ourselves now that this tower over here must be the tower that the crowdsourcing on this mapping site is just. They got turned around on the other end of Honeycutt.
Yeah.
It's at the, instead of Piney Grove Wilbon Honeycutt, it's Honeycutt Cass Halt. But you'll see as I turn here past the new elementary school, this takes us around to the high school and the middle school. You can see the Sharon Harris steam cloud and the cell tower in the distance in about basically the same time. So, I just thought it would be neat to know where the tower was. And, well, we've picked up some easy driving miles with Jules. Just sort of driving around, enjoying being warm in the car, and, you know, we didn't really need to know where it is. We're trying to convince ourselves that from our house, I guess, the line of sight to the tower would really be okay. But they should know what they're doing. There was a couple of places not okay, but they were farther west of our location going out of Fuquay. And we assumed they're low. So probably absolutely no way to 100% verify that this is the tower, but it's likely. And we're only a couple of miles from where we thought the tower was originally, up near the water tower that we looked at. We're actually still pretty close to there. I think left.
Yeah.
Gotta go left or right on Cass Holt here, so. Okay, so it's at Cass Holt and Honeycutt instead of at Honeycutt and Piney Grove Wilbon. So there's the cell tower. There's a white Model 3 and a white Model 3.
Performance.
Yeah. And a
Model Y.
Yeah, midnight silver metallic. So that's 4 Teslas here. We're all looking at this Pult Holmes new neighborhood going in between the cell tower and the, as we come around the corner here, the cooling tower. There's the cooling tower.
Yeah.
Well, it wouldn't really bother me that being off. I mean, we're only 5 miles closer to it here than we are at our house. All right, we're over here at Fleming Loop Park. This is, you know, a mile from the house. This is the other close park. And we don't come here often because it's not very scenic. And in the summertime, you don't want to be out in the sun walking this loop. However, in the winter, it's great. As long as it's not too windy.
Okay, how many poles we gonna walk? We're running for this pole?
Oh, he's gonna make me start running. Okay. Yeah, we gotta do several poles. That's right, several poles. So this is the park with the pretty blue and green playground equipment, and it's definitely got some usage this morning. There's 30 people all together over there hanging out. Parents and children alike. All right, we did our 2.5 lap equivalent to walking over at the around South Park. And I've got my exercise minutes and, you know, stand minutes and steps are where they need to be for this time of day. Let's just say it that way. By the time I work on putting more Christmas stuff out, I'll get quite a few more steps and stairs. Oh, that's right, I'm driving. Okay. Yeah, Donnie needed his phone to stop the Google app. I was playing Pogo on it here at the end. I always borrow it for at least 10 minutes of the walk.
4635, 2.57 miles, 5,612 steps, and it's coming. Da-da-da. Here it is, afternoon walk, it says. 1805.
All right, we were flying. We got stuff to do at the house. Didn't pick up a lot of trash here. Wasn't a lot of trash. So I guess what I decided is I'm gonna do the stuff in here first, even though I wanted to do the table first. And that's so when Don's ready to sit down and watch the football game, I won't be walking right in front of the TV, at least not very much. I'll be walking more in the kitchen dining room area. Hi guys. You guys really like that mat, huh? You know, I bought it in brown because it was $2 and I wanted to put it inside of something for them. And who knew? So if I find a red one or any other color but brown, Mom will get it. Did I tell you you were the best husband ever?
Huh? Oh, sure.
He's putting up my Christmas tree. I asked him to. Sure is looking good.
Thank you, sweetie.
Now you silly kitties, how am I supposed to finish up over there if you're on top of it and I can't get to it? Huh? How are you supposed to do that? Well, Big Boy sleeps in this cat head on the corner over there, and I just don't have the heart to take it away from him. So after I get the things laid out, I'm going to put his little head, his little sleeping place back because... And no, we won't sleep in the festive Christmas one. I'm sure he really wants the cat head. Might as well take the Christmas one back upstairs. Well, my village pieces are out, and I got the new fabric down, but I don't have them lit up yet, just the cord laying amongst them. I've got my Michael's craft store elves loaded up on the shelf here, and then some of the 70s little figurines. Not sure why I'm a few short on the figurines, because if I remember right, that shelf was overflowing, so I probably need to look a little harder. This is ready for something, but not decorated yet. I'm thinking my Lego stuff is going on the kitchen table with the train. Maybe I'll put some snowman. Probably going to put some snowman there. I got my Annalie elves, a lot of which are treasured gifts from Michelle, in the curio cabinet here. I know there's a glare. Sorry about that. And then there's always a few in this curio cabinet, but I added some. And little elves down there, but room for something Christmassy there and a few Christmas things over there. This is like Johnny's favorite nutcracker, and then I found him the other one that kind of went with it, so that's looking good. And I did not get my table done, but I got all the stuff lined up to make decisions. And then the Lego village is in the boxes, so when I have enough energy, because you can see it's 6:30, have enough energy to deal with it tomorrow, I'm sure I can do a better job than tonight. So we'll see. And then the train is going to go on the table with the village, and I have this Hallmark, stuff. So I've got plenty left to do, but I got a lot done. Got to pull the camera card at 7:15 p.m., but it's overtime, people. It's overtime.
Yeah, I am live.